Want to record a steady video when play? Want to record the scenery clearly along the way? It's much simpler to make this come true than you expected. Now, face recognition. Facial tracking. Autofocus. Automatic panorama. Time-lapse photography and timed photographing. Applicable to various shooting scenes and needs. A variety of function settings can be achieved through the app, such as adjustment in resolution, white balance, grid, exposure, free switch in 3 following modes, automatic calibration, and function switch for slow motion shooting. All the operations are easily completed by 2 buttons and 1 joystick for mode switching, shooting, and rotating controlling. The shutter photographing can be achieved by the Bluetooth connection, and your picture will look more lively by using 1 key long exposure